Welcome to day 24 of our 30 days pattern drafting. In today's video, we shall be learning how to make a halter dress. Get started. So to create a halter neck, before we do that, we're going to contour this side of our pattern by ½ inch, and then we cut off. Would also go down here at the armhole area by ½ inch like this. Using a curve, we join this part here to this part. So I have gone ahead and created the halter. Next thing I'll do is to cut it off. At this point here, we're going to contour the halter neck. To do that, we're going to go ahead and measure the entire curve, which is this, and divide it by 2. Whatever measurement we get, we divide by 2. And at the spot where we divide by 2, we draw a straight line to connect to our bust point like this. And then you contour it by 1/58 of an inch on either side. And this is it. We're just going to go ahead and slash that leg to the bust point. Then go ahead and slash this middle line, the first line we created. Then at the neck area, we're going to measure the entire neck measurement. Whatever we get, we divide it by 2 and mark like this. When we are done marking, we then draw a straight line to our bust point. Then go on and slash this dart to the bust point. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. Then also go ahead and slash this line we have drawn like this. We lap it and open up this place. After closing this, that you can see that there's an opening here that is beginning to form. We then go ahead and up this as well. Now place our pattern on a piece of paper like this. Because you have to have an even straight line, we're just going to go ahead and then draw a straight line at this point here, so everything would be even. You do the same thing to this point. You do the same thing to this curved area. And this is what the finished pattern looks like for the collar. See you in the next tutorial.